In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate shop on Squarespace. If you want to turn simple text into an affiliate link on your Squarespace site, this process is quick and very beginner friendly. We're going to create a text block, customize the wording a little, and then attach your affiliate link so visitors can click through easily. This is a simple way to build out an affiliate shop page, especially if you want a clean layout with clickable product or call to action text. First, go to the area of your Squarespace page where you want the affiliate content to appear and click Add Block. This is how you insert new content into your page. Once the block menu opens, choose text. A text block is a great option here because it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can keep things minimal, highlight a product recommendation, or add a call to action that encourages visitors to learn more. Now, type your text. For example, you might write something like "click here," or use more specific wording related to the product or offer you're promoting. The key is to make the text clear and easy for visitors to understand. If your page includes multiple affiliate items, using descriptive text can make the experience feel more organized and professional. After adding the text, you can change the color if you want. This helps the link stand out visually and can make it more noticeable on the page. Just be sure the color still matches your site design and is easy to read. Good contrast is important, especially if you want visitors to instantly recognize that the text is clickable. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a link and click the link icon. This opens the linking options for that selected text. Once that appears, paste in your affiliate link. Make sure you're using the correct destination URL so your visitors are sent to the right product or offer. Then enable the option to open the link in a new tab. This is a helpful setting because it keeps your Squarespace site open in the visitor's browser while also sending them to the affiliate page. It creates a smoother user experience and makes it easier for people to return to your shop page afterward. And that's it. You've now created a simple affiliate shop element on Squarespace using a text block and a clickable affiliate link. If you're building out a full affiliate page, you can repeat this same process for additional products or offers to keep your layout consistent and easy to navigate.